The hit Brainiac. The hit Brainiac. The hit Brainiac. The hit Brainiac.
Dozebo. Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Let me fix my lens real quick. I didn't want it to be. I'll fix it later. How y'all doing, man? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Dodo, and I shoot music videos. I'm a producer as well.
The hit Brainiac.
Please, if you guys have a few seconds, check out this music video that I'm gonna have pop up on the screen.
My line like they got me. I'm like, fuck ya, nigga. What the fuck is up? Look, never mind it. Just keep grinding. Put that time and I'm gon' say and do the same. I'm just saying, boy, you got that name. I spent the on vain. Nigga, don't focus.
Please check that out if you got some time. Today, I'm gonna show you guys just a little things that I saw in Learn How to Watch music video directed by Bennet. The song is very dope. In fact, I might put this on my second channel. I'm afraid right now to upload to my main channel because I did a reaction to this song and Warner Bros, they claimed the video and gave me a strike. So I'm kind of confused right now. Like, why did I get a strike? It was just a reaction video. I wasn't even getting paid from it, you know. So so I don't know what's going on. If you guys know what to do, if this has happened to you in the past, please contact me. Help me out, man. I'm trying to get that strike removed from my account because that makes no sense. So I hope they don't strike me down because I'm trying to show you guys some techniques on how this video was made. So anyways, a couple things there were a couple of things that stood out to me, and I'm going to bring in some screenshots from the music video and kind of talk about it, and then maybe I'll give you guys some examples and whatnot. So starting off, there's this part here where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 parts in the video where he kind of used a lot of the basic techniques. This music video uses a lot of zooming effects. This music video, I'm gonna mute the audio because I do not want to get copyright striked. Let me zoom up a little bit. Okay, so as the video starts, you will notice right there, that's one effect. So I'm assuming what he did right there, see, he used a flash. There's a flash effect right there. And then basically, I think what he did was pretty much take this into After Effects, rotoscoped or roto brushed, you know, the words around it, but that's what he pretty much did. I can show you guys an example. Let me just kind of use this small section as an example. So you would come in here in After Effects, select your image, click replace with After Effects composition. Okay, I was working on a different video, that's why you see that. And then you would grab your rotoscope, okay, and then make the brush smaller by holding Command on the Mac. And then I'm just gonna do it to the watch, okay, so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about here. All right, I'm gonna do a rough draft. So you guys can kind of see the process. Please make sure you guys subscribe as well. I really appreciate it, man. There's so many things I know how to do and I'm still learning. But I want to show you guys what I know. Like I said, if you guys have the time, check out the music video that I was telling you guys about. I would really, really appreciate it. Please drop a comment, like, subscribe for more videos like this. I want to help you guys out just as much. So I'm just going to do a couple sections of this to kind of show you guys what I mean. Let me just see if that'll select all that. No, I don't want all this shit. I don't want all that. I don't want that. Okay, yeah. So like I said, that in order to get the whole thing perfect, man, I'm sure that would have took some time. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna, like I said, do some basic stuff just to show you guys. I don't want this video to get too long. So let's say I have selected everything that I want to select in this video. I'm gonna save that, and then I'm gonna go back into the program here. You see that? So going into his image, as you can see, he made his black. So what I'm gonna do here for mine to transition into that, I'm going to grab a glow effect. Let's say, let me use one of my presets. I have a couple of them. Let's use that one for now. I'm gonna apply that effect. This is, mind you guys, this is just, like I said, I'm just showing you the process of how it made. I understand it doesn't look like his. This is just the process, okay? In fact, and then I'm going to load the presets. This glow effect is from Sapphire plugins. If you guys don't have that, make sure you go check it out, buy it, it's worth it. And if you don't have it, you can also get it from what's it called? You can actually get it for free if you're a student. All you have to do is email them your ID card. But yeah, so this is basically what that is, okay? And he had that glow. I know mine doesn't glow exactly like his, so maybe I can add an even more intensive glow to this. Okay, there we go. You know, so something like that. And then he had a little flash effect come in. So, okay, so I'm gonna do a couple cuts right there. I'll put in, like I said, guys, this is not perfect. I'm just trying to show you guys kind of how it was done. If I try to do it perfect, this would be too long of a video. So after you do that, you just grab, you know, a simple flash effect. I have a bunch of presets that I've done. If you guys want some of my presets, just drop a comment for me, hit the like button. I'll upload another video and give you guys a bunch of presets that I have a bunch. So, like I said, the flash comes in and it goes into that. So, in fact, that flash is not even big enough. That's not an intense flash. So, but you get the idea. So, as I'm gonna play this for you guys, I'm gonna delete that for now so you guys can kind of see how this transitions into the video, okay? Oh, let me render it out first. And how'd you guys feel about that Lil Xan cameo in there? I was not expecting that. I wonder if Carnage is gonna produce for Lil Xan here soon. I'm trying to make this video short. I didn't want to make it too long. I appreciate you guys tuning in. There's a bunch of, I didn't think this was gonna take so long. I might do them separately, upload this one separately. There are so many different ways you can do this glowing text effect. I don't know exactly the glowing text the glow effect he used, but if you have the Sapphire plugin, they have a bunch of glow effects. I'm sure it was one of those because he's a fan of Sapphire. I know he uses that a lot. So if you guys want to be able to achieve a lot of these stuff, you have to get Sapphire plugins. You just have to. It's an amazing plugin to have in your arsenal. All right, so now that we have that rendered out, let me play it for you guys so you can kind of see what we just did. See what I mean? So it goes from there into that. So that's kind of how he got that effect, okay? It's a very simple effect. You just saw me do it. You just have to have the patience and the time to actually achieve this effect. Perfect. So now that we got that done, let's go into the next effect that I noticed in the music video. Okay, moving on.
The hit Brainiac.